Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. Today I am featuring yet another Asian recipe for the Weber Q. This recipe is for TEBA SHIO. From Japanese translated English, that means salted wings. It is seriously one of the easiest recipes you can make anywhere. Come see for yourself after the intro. Taba in Japanese translates to wings, so of course I have a package of chicken wings here. This package happened to be of whole wings, but you could get them pre-split or you could split them yourself into drumettes and flats. To do so, you'll need a sharp knife, like my made-in cookware Santoku knife, and just cut right down at the joint. You actually don't need that much pressure to cut through the bone. See, that was pretty easy. Now, sometimes you'll still have a wingtip attached here. There's not a lot of meat in this wingtip, so I just grab that same knife and cut that off and discard. Once I'm done splitting all my wings, you'll see I'm left with the drumettes and flats. Now, as promised, I did say this is an extremely simple recipe. There's only one ingredient to the marinade, and that is sake. Go ahead and pour about 1 cup of sake into your bowl of drumettes and flats. This should be just enough sake to cover your wings. And that's it. At this point, just use your clean hands and give the wings a quick toss to make sure that the wings are evenly soaked. Then just set this aside for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it's time to prepare our wings for the grill. So grab a paper towel and thoroughly pat all your wings dry. You'll then lay these dried off wings on a roasting rack. This is just an ordinary baking rack or toaster oven rack that I've repurposed for my Weber Q. The package of chicken wings that I purchased today had 6 whole wings in it today. So after splitting them and preparing them in the sake marinade, you'll find that that has left me with 6 drumettes and 6 flats, which fit perfectly on my baking rack. But before we head on out to the grill, it's time to season. And all we're using is salt and pepper. Like I said, this is a super simple recipe, probably the easiest you'll ever make. Add your salt and pepper to taste, but don't hesitate to go pretty heavy on both because it really needs to carry the chicken. Be sure to also season both sides of your wings, and once you're ready, you can head on out to your grill. So today I have preheated my Weber Q2000 to a high heat, and after lining my roasting rack with a layer of aluminum foil, I am going to go place this on the grill. This setup allows me to cook the wings indirectly and essentially turns my grill into an outdoor oven. Click the link above to learn a little bit more about this cooking method. After you shut the lid, continue cooking on high for about 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, it's time to check and turn all of our chicken wings. If you hear a little bit of crackling like I do now, that's a great sign. That means you have dried off your wings properly and the skin is starting to crisp up. You'll see that the wings at this point have just a tinge of yellow and gold, so they have quite a bit of ways to go still. So after you've turned over all of your wings, go ahead and shut the lid and let these roast for another 20 to 25 minutes or so. And now after 40 to 45 minutes of total cook time on a high heat, your wings should be done. And as you'll see, particularly on the skin side of your wing, they have taken on a nice golden roasted color. So now pull all your wings off of the grill and enjoy. Teba Shio might as well translate to honest chicken, because unlike a lot of Western recipes that require some sauce or dip, you're supposed to just enjoy these wings as is. However, you'll frequently find lemon wedges and Sichimi togarashi chili powder as a garnish, which I highly recommend. Now, as simple and easy as these chicken wings may appear, I guarantee they will disappear very quickly every time. Give this a go and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you all again next time.